Prime Minister Narendra Modi has declared a 1,000 crore rupees package for Tamil Nadu. Over 260 people have died in Chennai rain havoc. IAF has rescued over 4,000 people from different places. Goa and Maharashtra have dispatched choppers to Tamil Nadu. IAF choppers are dropping relief packets. Airport, ring roads, bypass, residential areas are still submerged at several places. No power supply and telecommunication in Chennai. 35 lakes are flowing at danger level.
Give us instruction as to what is the level of discharge from Chambarambakam and what is the further possibility of rise in Sedapet river, which can really affect here. So people can, rescue team can come here in advance. According to that, it will be safer to save this place here.
Water is not receding at all. It is just coming down from somewhere near Tenambat Eldams Road side over here and absolutely just flowing towards the other side. This is the place where there is never any water in even any big rains over here. It looks like Kotrapuram bridge is broken or something. That's the rumor which is going around. And because of it, this water is just flowing on this side. That's what other people are telling actually. That's the news which is coming in the WhatsApp over here.
See, yesterday night there wasn't any water.
Right.
Day before yesterday there was rain. There was about ankle length of water on the road. And then it started receding yesterday morning.
Yes.
This overnight, we didn't expect this. We thought, good, the rain has stopped. Now we won't be facing problem. We were actually supposed to go and we wanted to give relief for other people. We wanted to cook and give them food.
Right.
So we were planning of that. But now this morning when we got up, we didn't expect that the water is going to be so high.
Absolutely no information. In fact, for the past 24 hours, not much of rain. In spite of that, the water flow has increased now. I think this must be due to some breach in some of the rivers close by.
The government of India stand by the people of Tamil Nadu in their hour of need. I have directed that rupees 1,000 crore be released immediately by the government of India to Tamil Nadu.
Lakshmikant Parsekar will lead BJP in 2017 Assembly poll. BJP state president has said it. I have received CM's post as blessing. If given a chance, I will earn it for 2017 Assembly polls. This is how the Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar reacted to the announcement of the state BJP unit. BJP President Vinay Tendulkar announced on Thursday that Parsekar will lead the BJP in 2017 Assembly election. He addressed media in Panji.
2017 इलेक्शन तुम्ही सांगले पक्ष हे इलेक्शन तुम्ही आताचे चीफ मिनिस्टर पार्सेकरांच्या लिडरशिपी अंडर लढतले
हय सन जानेवारीच्या पहिल्या आठवड्याक मागीर 10 तारीख पर्यंत दोन्ही जिल्ह्याचे अध्यक्ष आणि 15 तारीख पर्यंत जानेवारीच्या साधारण गोय प्रदेशाक नवीन अध्यक्ष मेळटलो नवीन कमिटी मेळटली येणारे 17चे इलेक्शन परत एक फावट भारतीय जनता पक्ष आमी गोया भितर सरकार स्थापन करतले.
CM has welcomed the announcement.
पण एक मोठी जबाबदारी अशी धरता तुम्ही फुडली जेन्ना मुख्यमंत्री पद म्हजेकडे मनोहर बाब गेलो आणि त्यांना आयले तेन्ना म्हाका ती जबाबदारी खूप व्हडली कशी दिसलेली किंबहुना म्हज्या ताकदीच्या पलीकडली अशी दिसलेली आता ओव्हर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम इट हॅज बिकम अ रुटीन वर्क इट इज अप टू द पार्टी म्हाका हे फावटी रेडीमेड पद मेळ्ळें फुडल्या इलेक्शनाक म्हाका विचारलें तुज्या नेतृत्वा सकयल वतली काय हांवें तेन्ना म्हटलें की पार्टीन जर ठरयलें जाल्यार आय विल लव टू डू दॅट.
BJP state unit is set to celebrate Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar's 60th birthday in a grand way. A crowd of more than 50,000 is expected to be a part of the celebrations.
त्यांचो सन्मान सोहळा जावपाचो आसा 50,000 पर्यंत कार्यकर्ते ह्या सन्मान सोहळ्याक उपस्थित आसतले.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
State has proposed before the Union Transport Ministry to convert and develop 100 kilometers of state highway to national highways. PWD Minister Sudhin Darwekar called on the Union Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari in Delhi. Expansion of National Highway 4A from Old Goa to Ponda tops the list. Sudhin has also sought concession from centre to be deposited towards construction of 8 overbridges.
दोन जुवारी ब्रिजाचे एका साइडीन वेर्णा एका साइडीन बांबोळी EFC क्लियरन्स CRF 29 कोटी है कन्वर्शन ऑफ स्टेट हाईवेज इनटू नेशनल हाईवेज 100 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम करासवाड़ा टू Usgaon via Bicholi and Borim Junction to Kurti and Waipai to Mole via Surla and all. त्यानंतर फोंडेचे फ्रॉम पोंडा RTO ऑफिस टू ओल्ड गोवा बाणस्तारी ब्रिज 6 लेन ब्रिज आणि अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट 2 फ्लायओव्हर काळीमाती टू बॉम्ब मुस्लिमवाडा आणि दुसरो ओल्ड गोवा म्हणजे खोर्ली तो 1.25 किलोमीटर हो 1.25 किलोमीटर असे 2 आणि अंडरपास येतले 2 पाड्डोळ आणि हांगा जंक्शन अंडरपास साधारण 5 हे आसा टोटल इट कम्स टू 1450 crore.
PWD Minister Sudin also met the Union Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu over railway overbridge issue. Sudin conveyed to Railway Minister that Goa cannot afford one-time depositing 50% required to build railway overbridges.
सुरेश प्रभू जे आम्ही मेळ्ळे त्या ROB जे आसा रेल्वे ओव्हरब्रिज ताच्या खातीर एक ROB जर 100 कोटीचो आसा 50% गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवान दिवपाचे प्लस लँड एक्विजिशन दिवपाचे आणि जे 50% आसा ते आम्ही एकदम डिपॉझिट करू शकना म्हणून सांगले आणि इन टर्म्स ऑफ ते आमकां इधर इन्स्टॉलमेंट्स किंवा माफ करचे अशा विशयी आणि ते काम बेगिनात बेगीन चालू करचे वेर वी एग्री टू फाइंड अ सोल्युशन and to come within 15 days to the government of Goa.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.